In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. While testing this tablet, I discovered two ways to open apps in pop-up view. Let's start with my favorite and the easiest one. Click on an app. When it's open, tap on those three dots at the top and use this icon. The third one from the left. After tapping on it, your app will automatically switch to pop-up view. Now you can use it however you want to. Move it around by holding those three dots at the top. And close it by going into background apps and swiping it, or minimize it by holding this line at the bottom and dragging your app to the top. Sometimes it's tricky to click on it the first time around though, so I mostly don't use this option. But as you can see, it disappeared. The problem with this method though is when you click on your app, it will still appear in pop-up view, so I would recommend to simply swipe it. Now, the second way is to open your apps in the background right away. Hold it and tap on floating window in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!